Hello friends, this is SK Tariqul Islam and I'm in front of you today with another contents or another syntax of Python, and our today's topic is going to be how we can join two lists into a single list or into a new list. Say for example, I have a list called list 1 and I have a list called list 3, and I want to join this list 1 and list 2, and I have to form another list called list 3 where all the elements of list 1 and list 2 will be present. So this is a very important concept because in a longer run we may have to merge with the different data sets or the different lists or the different things, and we may have to combine into a single box, like a single variable, a single list, and the name of the list is going to be list 3. Okay, there are some plenty ways to do that, but the easiest and the simple way, use plus operator. Okay, let's see. List 3 equal to list 1 plus list 2. Print list 3. So just go on that. What is the problem? List 1 plus list 2. What's the problem? Okay, what happened over here? List everything is okay. Okay, let's run this program. What happened? What was my problem? Maybe there is a problem with the indentations. I don't know. So here I can see that there is a list called list 1 where there was some alphabets in a lowercase B C, and in list 2 1 to 3, then I have joined those lists into a single list called list 3, and I have used the plus operator. You can just see that and this is a plus operator. Using this plus operator, I have just joined this, and I have created a new list called list 3, and simply have printed, and I have seen that list 1 has come forward, list 2 has come at the end. So and this is okay. Let me do one thing here. Let's do list 2 as 1. So let's see what happens. Yeah, the same thing happens. That is, the list will come and this will join together. So this is a way. So another thing we can do, we can use a for loop. Okay, we can use a for loop. So for example, yes, then x for x in list 2, list 1 dot append. Okay, what can I do? Okay, let's not do that. Okay, I let's run the program in the shell. Okay, remove all those things, and I can see that for x in list 2, here what is happening, that is all the elements from list 2 will be iterated, and this will be append list dot append where maybe list 1, right? It sorry, I made a mistake. My bad. So here will be list 1. Okay, so here is going to be x. So what will happen, this for loop will run within list 2, and all the elements will be append in list 1. So let's see what I'm going to print. I'm going to print simply list 1. What we're doing, for x in list 2, there is all the elements from list 2 will be append in list 1. So I have to print print to print list 1, right? List 1. So this is what happened. There is all the elements from, maybe I made a mistake. Yes, there was an indentation problem, so be careful about these indentations, because in Python indentations are very important. If you miss the indentations, then your result is not going to come correctly. So what happened here is, just if I zoom in and if I can see, that is for x in list 2, that is our loop will run within this list 2. After that, each time a loop runs, the value will be append. You know what is called append. Append means these positions. Okay, the value will be pour or put in list 1. Okay, this is what. After that, if I print list 1, we are going to get our desired value, simply, nothing else. So this is actually the main reason of writing any contents, or looping, or actually appending, or and joining two lists into a single list. And I'm sure that you have already understood the syntax, how we can do that. So maybe there are some other ways. Is there? Yes, we can use we can use another important method, and the method name is called extend. This is something also iterations, that is all the value from list 2 will be iterated, or will be sent to list 1, to list list 2 to list 1. So this we can also use to join this. So if I just recap that, I can just if I just summarize the things. So what I have understood, that is I can use as simply operators to join the list. I can use a loop for loop, or also I can use extend methods to join this. So this was the main syntax in order to join two lists into one, and to form a new list in order to fulfill our objectives. So I hope you guys are clear, and you have also understood the concept, and you are going to use it in your day-to-day life. Often you have to use it. So these are some important things about lists so far we have learned. And I hope you have clearly understood the concept of list, and the syntax of writing list, or accessing items in the list, or there is lots of topics I have already covered. And in my coming video, I am going to discuss on tuple sets and the dictionary. And if you clearly understand the concept of list, then these are the things will be almost similar. There is no changes, very minor conditions are there. So understanding list are very important, because if you understand this concept, means you are understanding rest of threes very clearly. But if you don't understand list clearly, it will be a bit tough for you to understand the rest of the topics. And I'm sure that you guys have understood very clearly, and I'm very happy that after a long time I can make the concept very clearly. I can also present in front of you spontaneously, because my English are improving, and I can easily, spontaneously, continuously speak in English. And I hope you guys will follow the same techniques, learn it, make a YouTube video, and definitely speak in English, because people are going to understand the concept. And if you can what should I say, if you can present your views in English, and gradually your communication skill will be very faster, very spontaneous. Your word selections will be very quick. May not be your phonetic syntax be as like as British or American, but I'm sure that gradually it will increase. So nothing much today, and I'm very grateful to you that you guys are gradually started liking my content, and you are supporting me. You have subscribed my channel, you have liked my video, you are watching my contents. And but I will request you to suggest me, I will request you to throw your questions, making comments. And if you feel that my channel is playing a vital role in order to learn Python or any programming language, being a non-tech person or very as a beginner, please subscribe to my channel and stick to me. Watch my video, share my contents among your friends, so that your friends also get interested to learn this. Because in this era of 2021, every person must learn at least one programming language, because this will increase your analytical ability, your logic sense, also a different way of expressing your views. Mostly the coming world is the world of data science. So if you are not prepared today, the rest of your life is going to be harder, and competitive market is going to come. Because being a Bangladeshi, we got to predict what the coming market is coming in a job section. So if you really understand that is what the job market demands, then if you have prepared yourself, say for example, lots of MNCs or multinational companies are showing their interest to build their industry here, build their assembling center here. Google, Facebook, and the renowned companies have shown their interest to explore these Bangladeshi markets. This is a highly potential market for them. So if you wanna be a member of those renowned company, you must be specialized on any particular topics, and demand of data science will be enormous for them. So I will request everyone, at least what industry you belong to, what department or the sections you belong to, really doesn't matter. You need to learn at least on programming language, and Python is the easiest language because this is human readable, compatible. So, and this is going to be a great tools to fight in the coming market. So thank you so much once again. I'm requesting again to subscribe to my channel, also hit the bell icon. Bye bye.